Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
What? Disappeared? Huh?
Though you may pretend to be an apple, you're still a balloon. Good catch. Why is she making me do this today? I just want to take a nap. Huh?
Did someone tell Trammy what happened to me at PE class? It was you, Rogie!
No!
Tag, you're in.
What?
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble. Yeah, soldier, come on by Sergeant Surplus Hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have two.
But I changed the direction of my life when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing School.
You are a sight for sore headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
unknown rider. You have entered restricted airspace. Why?
What? No friend of mine will stay in a hotel in my village. You will stay with my...
Hero is sad, Charlie. Can you tell him a joke? That's sure to cheer him up. Of course.
Volkswagen Common Gear has no radiator.
That's because it's air-cooled.
Great. I'm Agent Shiftwell.
Checkered flag, here I come. Oh no! McQueen is blowing!
This is going nowhere fast.
We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Hello, Face! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
Do it. He's got the horsepower. So what do you want him to do?
Fix the road!
Because we are a...
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz.
I miss you, Stanley. You sure knew how to treat a girl. Oh, by the way,
Not my town, don't.
Rusty Tails down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper.
Puesto encontramos a Chick Hicks. Ha perseguido el título toda su carrera.
Chick creyó que este era su...
You cannot defeat me! Cannot!
I am not coming in behind you again, old man. Hot snot, we are back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boys.
Signorina Salvi. It is official. Lightning McQueen is the luckiest car in the world.
Eat your heart out.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's
No. You are not winning this.
You're angry!
I am not angry.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a...
Everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari. Which one of them looked...
What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.